Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one we can change into the square root of cosine x to the power of 2. Number 1, that is about 1 square. Now we need to change from this one into this one. And that should be like this. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now, I will put number 0 gone here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.